Hello gang, YouTubers on with SpongeBob 101 back here again on the Other Stuff channel. Today we are here with the opening of the Thomson-East Coast Line stage number 2. So this is the last train on this platform, I believe B. Yeah, okay, platform B. So usually trains depart from over there, platform A. That's pretty cool. We're just gonna ride this train one stop to Woodlands Station. Now, since the train is so empty, I figured I might as well just give you guys a look at the interior of the train while we ride from Woodlands North to Woodlands. This is something I did not do last year in our videos. So as you can see here, each car has 5 doors, right? So yeah, they're longer than the Circle and Downtown Line trains, and they have more doors than the Circle and Downtown Line trains. So they're kind of like in the middle ground, you know, it's the middle of the pack, if you will, here. So now, in terms of the interior, as you can see, the doors have like this gray shade, and there's the priority use area. These seats actually can be, well, moved up if necessary. And then of course we have the information displays. So this is the announcement display, as well as the main display.
Please do not lean against the train doors. Next station, Woodlands. Change next station for the North-South Line.
Alright, so that was the crossover, the Woodlands North interlocking. So you can see the station information here, and there's like this part for advertisements. Honestly, I don't really care too much about that, but yeah, it's pretty cool. The lighting is very bright, and yeah, what more can I say? It's a pretty awesome train. It's new, smells fresh. You know that new train smell, guys. If you don't know what that smell is, then it's okay. But yeah, there is a new train smell. I just noticed this luggage spacing for luggages, because this line is intended to eventually connect over to the 5th terminal of Changi Airport in the future, right? So not right now, but in the future. So here we are at Woodlands. That was a little quick tour of the Thomson-East Coast Line train. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, favorite, comments, etc. Keep it right here on SpongeBob 101's Other Stuff channel. And in the next video, we will be taking a cab ride from Woodlands North to Caldecott. So make sure to stay tuned for that. See you guys in the next one.
请看管好您的随身物件。若发现任何形迹可疑的人物或可疑物品，请通知我们的工作人员或拨999报警。